and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe down below. This one is a how-to video and not an event video of a car show vlog. Maybe a week ago, my car started making a sound. Now I have dashcam footage of it, but it happens so rarely that I have only one video where you can kind of hear it, and I'm gonna insert that now. Okay, so it's a sound that's coming from definitely the middle of the car, and it's a vibration sound. That vibration sound is coming from in the middle here somewhere, and it happens only like on diesel or whatever. So there is a lick of vibration, and it's obviously on the drive line. Now I went down and I checked, and the first thing you think is your prop shaft couplers, which is two rubbers. One sits at the back of the diff. I have footage of that. And then another one sits between the gearbox and the prop shaft also, so it just dampens driveline torsion and sounds and stuff. So I checked those first, thinking that okay, it could be one of those that are broken, and that's what the sound is, because it's making that sound like that. So I thought maybe okay, it's something like that, but it wasn't both of them. I checked both of them, and then eventually I went underneath the front of the car, because I wasn't the rear car, I wasn't front of the car to listen to sound, but I didn't check that thing, the coupler at the bottom in the middle here. Anyway, checked it, also saw that the middle one is fine, so I have no idea where the sound is coming from. I can't see any evidence of it hitting anywhere or anything like that. So eventually I took a long screwdriver and I moved the back of the gearbox, and I saw the rear mount of the gearbox is pretty much finished. It was took out the rear mount, gearbox mount, and looks like it's finished. That's what's been hitting, that's what's been making the noise. There's this hitting against something, I don't know what, but it's super easy to take out of my phone now. The whole weight of the gearbox was hanging inside of that mount really badly. And yeah, so this is me just replacing that mount. It's very, very simple, it's very easy. It's about 4 nuts, well, 3 at the bottom. They are 13mm, and the 2 on the top are 16mm. That goes into the gearbox, and then underneath is the 4 13 nuts that are in the brace.
Yeah. Then I want to go.
Okay, so as you can see, you just have to jack up this thing, this brace. You jack the gearbox at the back here. You put this in like so, like such. The gearbox is way lower, easier putting in this. I want to loose fit everything, because wow, you have to check it up quite a bit actually, so that it's there's 3 nuts underneath here, 2 and 1. These are 13s. Oh man, I didn't know I'm gonna have a lot of time putting this one in. Okay, maybe that's a bit better. Nice. Jack the gearbox up more and get there. Yo, doing stuff upside down like this sucks. Also get the torque specs on this, but I wouldn't do it time. Click. 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 Okay. nice. Yeah, that's me replacing it. And it's been a few days now, and the sound has not come back. It's been about 4 days now. So yeah, and also it fixed what I thought was a driveline vibration. I had a vibration on this driveline for like a solid year and odd, thinking I may have messed up the balance shaft timing when I did the timing chain. So I didn't mess up the balance shaft timing, which is fascinating. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was a simple, quick how-to, but yeah, something that is actually, and it didn't even cost a lot of money. That part itself, it wasn't a Fabi part, it wasn't an OEM part, it was a flipping, it was a whatever part, and it costed 350 rand, which isn't a lot of money at all, thinking of just how much it fixed. So yeah, let's go. Ikigai! There's some Ikigai guys over here. Yeah, Ikigai, don't miss. Don't miss. Boo for the boys.